So I just noticed that one of the guys, it's either Dudley or Goofy, is out on woodpile this morning. Hey, dudes, what are you doing? What you doing, Chip Chip? Hi, Chip Chip. Well, hello, Mr. Goofy. Hi, Goofy. Come here. Come here, Chipper. Come on. Come on. Come on, Goof. Come on. Come on. There you go, buddy. What are you doing out here? Yeah, buddy. Where's Dudley? Come on. If you're not going to come out to breakfast, then you might as well get some more. Come here. Come here. Come on. Here. Get this one. Come here. Come here, dude. Come here, Chip Chip. Come here, Chip Chippy. Here. Uh-oh. I think I just saw Dudley go running by. Come here. Chip Chip. All right. Oh, Chippy case. Come here. Here. Hey, Chip Chip. Come here, buddy. Chippy Chippy. Well, I got Goofy and Dudley both got a peanut already, so I'm going to come back out to my chair. Everything's wet from the morning dew, so I had to dry it off. Yeah, still wet. All right, we'll get set up.